Welcome to the Portable Classroom. Maximize your potential program. In today's class, we're going to talk about the present continuous tense in what and where questions. There are 2 episodes to listen. In the first episode, we're going to focus on what, and in the second episode, we're going to focus on where. We are going to learn the formulation of what and where questions in the present continuous tense. From a statement to a question, learn from some examples. So without further ado, let's start talking about how to use what in the present continuous tense. Let's take a look at the parts that we need to make a what question. What is and are one of the be verbs, a person, and the ing. Before we start, we need to know when do we use what and why are we using the word what. We use what for the following 2 things. Number 1, an action that we do not know about, or something that we do not know about. So let's take a look at the example to get a better idea. What is Leo doing now? So you see, in this example, we don't know what Leo is doing. We do not know the action. So we have what as the question word, a be verb is because the person is Leo, and doing, a neutral word, to replace the action that we do not know. So the answer is, he is studying for his midterm now. So studying for his midterm is the action that we do not know. In the question, we use the word doing to replace it. And he is, contraction, his. She is, she's. I am, I'm. You are, you're. We are, we're. They are, they're. That's how you pronounce the contractions. Example number 2. What are May and Susan doing? Again, what, a be verb are, because May and Susan, they're people, they're 2 people. Doing, to replace the action that we do not know. The answer, they are picnicking in the park. So picnicking is the action that we do not know. And we use where in the question to ask about that information. Example number 3. What are you doing? I'm working on my term paper. Again, doing is here to replace the action working on my term paper. This is the part that we do not know, and we use doing to replace it in the question. Lily's working very hard at the moment. As you can see, that is working is the action that we do not know, so we must leave this out of the question. What is Lily doing? In the unknown action, what is the question word? Doing to replace the action that we do not know. Kate and Andy are watching TV. Again, this is the action that we do not know about. So what as the question word? Doing to replace the action that we don't know. So the question will be, what are Kate and Andy doing? Now the next 2 examples are for an unknown thing. Olivia and Jack are baking some cookies. So see, in this case, we do know what the person is baking, or people, what they are doing. We do know the action. The action is baking, but we don't know what they are baking. So we say, what are Olivia and Jake baking? So some cookies is the information that we do not know. We must leave this out of the question. So you see, you cannot see this anywhere in the question. It's being replaced by what? So what are Olivia and Jack baking? To which you reply, Olivia and Jack are baking some cookies. I'm working on my term paper. We do not know what the person is working on, but we do know the person is working on something. So we say, what are you working on? What to replace for the things that we cannot say. What are you working on? And the person will say, I'm working on my term paper. So as you can see that we use what for an unknown action, like in case number 1, in case number 2, or an unknown thing, like in case number 3 and in case number 4. So now let's learn from examples. Example number 1. Where is Kathy? She's in the park. What is she doing? She's having lunch. Again, having lunch is the action that we do not know. So we use what as the question word and doing to replace it. Example number 2. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Clark? They're in the dining room. What are they doing? They're eating dinner. Again, eating dinner is the action that we do not know, so we use doing to replace it and what as the question word. Example number 3. Where are you? I'm in the bedroom. What are you doing? I'm playing the guitar. Again, playing the guitar is the action that we do not know. We use doing to replace it and what as the question word to ask about it. Example number 4. Where are you? I'm in the living room. What are you doing? I'm playing cards. Again, playing cards is the action that we do not know, so we use doing to replace it and what to ask about it. Example number 5. Where are Gary and Jen? They're in the yard. What are they doing? They are playing baseball. Again, playing baseball is the action that we do not know, doing to replace it and what as the question word. And then, example number 6. Where is Miss Baker? She's in the cafeteria. What is she doing? She's drinking milk. Drinking milk is the unknown action. Doing is there to replace it and what as the question word. So now you know how to use what to ask for an unknown action and an unknown thing. Now in the next episode, we're going to talk about how to use where to ask for places and using it with the present continuous tense. If you like this video, please visit our website, www.theportableclassroom.blogspot.tw, and subscribe to this channel. You will get a lot of cool videos on English grammar and some cool stuff that we do in classes. So, see you next time, and thank you for watching this video.